Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at something from Trumpeter. This is the 135th scale M1A1 slash A2 Abrams 5-in-1 kit here. So here on the front cover or top cover, we can see here one large illustration as well as four others for the 5-in-1 variants. We also have a little bit of description up here of what's included or dimensions, more information in another language, as well as down here. If we continue on the edges, we can see here's some illustrations of possible variants there, barcode, age recommendation, some serial numbers here as well, and other logos. Continue on this side. This is item number 01535. More information there. Continuing, we actually have photos of some finished versions there. So some completed variations. Some description text in multiple languages. Copyright 2008. And then some more manufacturing information and a website there. Plain cardboard tray box. And let's go ahead and get this open. I'm curious. Okay, so again, this is the tray lid and tray bottom style of box. Let's just go ahead and set this aside. And this is packed right to the top. So let's go ahead and see what we have inside here. Getting an idea of the bags of parts trees. This appears to be some of the turret portions, as well as some of the rear deck portions and grills there. I'm going to set these down in reverse order. Looks like we have some warnings in multiple languages. I can see here English, Deutsch, French, Italian, Dutch, Swedish, Spanish, Portuguese, and I do believe that might be Chinese. I'm not sure. Let us know also if that's also any other variant of dialect as well. While I'm holding this, it does appear that we have other tread pieces. So you can see here we have some link portions and a lot of straight pieces. We do not have individual track links. If we flip this over, looks like we have some crew pieces as well as some of the bustle rack pieces as well that go around the rear and the sides. Continuing, we have some smaller bags here. More detailed pieces there. Looks like some ammo cans, dispensers there. Looks like some cupolas there. Looking on this side of the box, we can see here some large hull pieces and turret pieces. Very recognizable shape there for the Abrams platform there. Also gives you an idea of the size of the model. Wheels assemblies and sponsons there. Continuing. More hatch style pieces. Smaller pieces there. It looks like these are your mine plow attachments there. Larger wheels, etc. I think we just dropped something there. Larger plow pieces. Okay. Oh, wait. We do have something going on here. Looks like we have various chains. If you can see the small links there, as well as some copper wire, a hose. We have a large mesh assembly there, or a sheet, sorry. Clear pieces, kind of like an acetate sheet with already perforated pieces, and this string piece here, which I'm assuming you can paint to match some sort of cable. Turns out we have some long rubberized track pieces, so you might be able to use this and actually motorize your model if you do some modification, because I do look here, see a location for a switch and possibly some battery connection points there if you are that creative. You can see here some serial numbers and the 135th M1A1 hull markings there with the Trumpeter logo. And there, here's a decal set. Now we're getting to the instructions. We actually have a glossy paint and marking guide. Pretty cool. On both sides, you can see there. Very nice. And a booklet style of instruction book. Again, item number 01535. We have an illustration there. Some pre-instructions, multiple languages, as well as the icons for assembly. This is a pretty thick booklet, numbered up through page 36. Right away on the back steps there, you can see the last installations, as well as some crew paint suggestions there. Just going to take a quick look. You can see here the sprue illustrations. Again, those rubberized tracks right there. Those other smaller pieces like the transparent parts, brass wire, vinyl tubing, mesh, thread, and chain. And you see there particularly the track construction. And just give you an idea, quickly flip through all these steps. Again, 36 pages. That's a pretty thick instruction manual at 1/35 scale. You see here, obviously, because we have 5-in-1 type of variations. So I wonder if you're creative enough, you can actually unbolt certain pieces and get away with being able to quickly switch between the 5 variants with quick detach hidden pieces, if you are that creative. But taking a very quick look at the Trumpeter 5-in-1 kit of the M1A1 A2 Abrams in 1/35 scale. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out our unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos, as well as a selection of book review media reviews. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.